There is a bird on your head. And this is a Piggy and Elephant book. One of my favorites.
By. Can you hold it up? Mo Willems.
Mo Willems. There is a bird on your head.
On my head.
Piggy, is there something on my head? Yes. There is a bird on your head. There is a bird on my head. Is there a bird on my head now? No. Now there are 2 birds on your head. What are 2 birds doing on my head? They are in love. The birds on my head are in love. They are lovebirds. Lovebirds? How do you know they are lovebirds?
How do you know they are lovebirds?
They are making a nest. 2 birds are making a nest on my head.
On your head? Goofy. I can't believe it.
Goofy.
I don't want to believe it. I don't believe it.
Why would 2 birds make a nest on my head? He looks confused. Very confused.
Very. That elephant.
I am afraid to ask. Do I have eggs on my head? 1, 2,
1, 2 eggs on your head?
3 eggs on your head. You have 3 eggs on your head.
3 eggs on your head. I'm going to go get 3 eggs on your head.
I do not want 3 eggs on my head. Then I had good news. Good news? What's the good news?
No one knows. I wonder also.
The eggs are gone. The eggs are hatching. Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching. Cheep, cheep, cheep. They have hatched. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head and 2 birds and a nest. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds and a nest on my head.
I don't either.
Where do you want them? Somewhere else! Why not ask them to go somewhere else?
Why not?
Ask them.
Ask them.
Ask them! Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds, will you please go somewhere else? He doesn't mean to be rude. No problem! It worked! Bye! Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. You are welcome. Now he has the chicks on his head. The end. My favorite stories.
I love you.
Can I see?